Hey, this is Tony with Alternative Living Spaces, where we turn shipping containers into luxurious dwellings. Today we're going to show you one of the most unique builds that we've done so far. Let's check it out. For this build, we got to partner with Container Guys International as well as Base Camp Utah. The owners of Base Camp Utah are Blake and Bijan, and they were interested in doing a container build that was completely customizable. It's a 45-foot shipping container that is completely off-grid and on wheels. The reason the clients made this unit is to be able to take it to all the major events that are here on the West Coast and use it as an event rental. From EDC and Coachella to NASCAR and outdoor sports, it's designed perfect for any weather or terrain. My absolute favorite part of this build is the rooftop deck. It's made up of 2 decks total, and the upper deck is 13 feet in the air, which gives you incredible views and is a great place to hang out with friends. The rooftop railing system is completely collapsible, which makes it perfect for transportation as well. To maximize the outdoor experience, there's an awning that comes off the unit to provide shade and a 30-foot stretch of AstroTurf to play games on or just relax and enjoy the scenery. Another crazy feature of this build is the fact that the container is permanently mounted to a 45-foot trailer. This gives the owners the ability to take the unit to some of the most remote events and festivals. And since most of these events are in remote locations, we knew we were going to have to make this build completely off-grid. We built out a 5-foot utility room in the back of the container that houses our off-grid options. This includes our electrical setup, fresh water tank, and hot water tank for the radiant flooring. The unit also has a composting toilet along with gray water tanks that are mounted underneath the trailer. When you enter the unit, the first thing that people notice is the stained shiplap wall that runs through the space. In the very first front room, it's a great area for people to hang out, watch TV, and just have some fun. There's a collapsible bar top for eating or getting work done, and a custom sliding barn door that leads into the rest of the space. The bathroom area is a cool design with a corrugated steel shower and a modern vanity. The last space in this unit is the private back room. I really love the way that the kitchen turned out with the stainless steel appliances and the butcher block countertop. This space is really good for unwinding with a 55-inch TV and a large sofa that turns into a queen bed. I have to say this was an incredible build. I never thought we'd be putting a 45-foot shipping container on a trailer. Customizing this unit with owners Blake and Bijan was an incredible experience, and I'm excited to see all the ways that they're going to be using this unit.